this example, we want to use this given value of sine, so -3 over the square root of 10, and the information that A is in quadrant 4 to find tangent of 2A. So we're going to use a double angle formula here. And I went ahead and wrote down the double angle formula for tangent, which is the one we want to use here. All right, so if we're going to plug into this formula, we need to find out what tangent of A is equal to. Once we have that, then it's just a matter of plugging in and doing the computations. We're given the value of sine, so if we could just find the value of cosine of A, then we could use the fact that tangent is sine over cosine. There's a couple of ways we can do this. I tend to stick with using the Xyr definitions, which I'm going to go through that. So let me first draw a picture. A is in quadrant 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A is in quadrant 4, where x is positive and y is negative. Now remember, sine, so what I call the Xyr definition for sine, it's y over r. And r is always positive, so we can take r to equal the square root of 10. And then y, which we know is negative because it's in quadrant 4, is equal to -3 in this case. Now we can find x using the equation x squared plus y squared equals r squared. True for any Xyr that we use with respect to these trigonometric functions. This is the way r is defined, actually. So that means that x squared plus -3 squared equals square root of 10 squared. So x squared plus 9 equals 10, which means x squared is equal to 1. And we know we're in quadrant 4, so x is positive, so we're going to take x equals +1. Once we have values for x, y, and r, we can generate the value of any trig function we want. So we want to know what tangent of A is equal to. Well, the Xyr definition for tangent is y over x. And now we have a value for y. It's negative square root of 3. We have a value for x. It's +1. And so tangent of A is equal to -3. Nice that it's just a whole number like that in this case. So now we just plug into the formula. We want to find tangent of 2A. That's equal to 2 times tangent of A, which is -3, over 1 minus tangent of A, which is -3 squared. So this is -6 over 1 minus 9, so -8. So this will reduce to, dog might bark, I'm always warning you guys of that, 3 over 4.